gang after the yak. They be the type of raunchy shit they be on.
Street niggas is wrecking because my movement is strong. Cause you consistently rapping, see my money is long. All my bitches just with me, see how they singing the song. That's how we get in the stick and we be taking them long. I let them
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my curly hair routine. Yeah, this hair is from AfricanMall, and yeah, like at first I thought AfricanMall was just like a clothing brand, but apparently they have like a chain where they sell hair, and this hair is like really soft, really nice. I got so many compliments on it. I went to like this little party at my school, and so many people love my hair, so I'm just gonna show y'all how I did it. So I'm just gonna start off with the water bottle and just like spray it down, like, yeah. And I made this wig, so it's 4 bundles, so 2 26-inch bundles and 2 24-inch bundles. And this is the Jerry curl, the soft Jerry curl. And yeah, I'm just going to spray it down. And I believe the Frontal is 20 inches also. So yeah, I'm spraying it down and then like brushing it out, just so it can be smooth, being, you know, to make sure everything is defined. And like that's pretty simple. I pretty much do this with all of my curly hair, just like wet it down first. And I'm just gonna go in with the curl enhancing smoothie. You already know if you have curly hair, you use this. Everybody I feel like uses this. I like the way it smells, and like it kind of defines the hair, not really, but like it just makes the hair soft. So yeah, we're gonna use that, and we're just gonna rub it through the hair and just, yeah, like stroking the hair with the curl enhancing smoothie. Yeah, so I like adding like product to my curly hair so it can be like a wet down look to get the defined look. As you can see, the curls just already popping and like luxurious, so cute. And then I'm gonna add this product. It's from OGX, and I just like the way it smells, and it like adds shine to the hair. So I'm just spraying that over the hair. And yeah, I love this because like I like when my hair smells really nice. And then I'm gonna put the Nairobi foaming mousse onto the hair also. This is like just gonna seal in all those products that we just put in and keep it looking like defined longer. And then I'm gonna create my part. So I took a comb and I just went down the center of my hair, and I'm just gonna create a middle part, and I'm just gonna comb it out and like basically form like how the hair is actually supposed to look. So first I defined the curls, and then now like I'm actually styling my hair. So I'm just gonna comb it back and, you know, make sure, try to get the part straight. I know it's like probably not straight, and the hair experts are probably gonna kill me, but like I don't know. And I'm just gonna put some mousse on top of my hair to like flatten it down more. And like it's already coming together, like ooh, like I don't know. Sometimes I just don't believe in my hair skills, but I just am getting better, you know, each time. And for my curly hair, I don't exactly like pluck it as much. Like I plucked the frontal somewhat, but it already came pre-plucked, so it was pretty nice already. So I don't like going overboard with my curly hair frontals because I wear them a lot. So, like I like to wear them a lot, like every day. So they eventually start thinning out. So yeah, I'm just gonna smooth it out with the brush and just comb it back so we can get this out of our face. And then I'm going to take some of my contour, like the color I use for my contour, and put that over the lace because I feel like it was just a little light, so it can blend inside of my skin. And then we're going to work on the baby hairs, and I just take pieces of the hair and part it out like in the very front. And then once I think that's enough, then I go in and with the scissors and like start snipping away. I like get really scared that I'm going to snip too much hair, so I start long first, and then like if it's too long, like this piece, I go and cut it again. But then I'm just going to use this like wooden toothbrush that's actually for baby hair. I got it from the beauty supply store, and the Nairobi mousse, and just start forming the baby hairs. So as you can see, like here, I went to go snip it some more because it was just a little bit too long. The shorter they are, like the more realistic it looks. As you can see here, it looks better. And then we're just gonna keep doing that all over the hair, like all over the perimeter of the hair, and like it takes a while. So yeah, just, you know, go as you want and like go as slow as you want and as fast as you want. But yeah, this is what I did. And this is how I kind of do my baby hairs now. Like, I just tweak them as possible. And if you want them to stay like for a really, really long time, you can go in with Got2b gel and put them right over top of the mousse or Gorilla Snot. Because I find that sometimes like the mousse, it doesn't stay, like it will be too loose. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, after a while the mousse like starts to loosen up. And it takes a long time for me to like actually feel satisfied with the baby hairs, so yeah, it's just, I don't know, patience for this part, but this I feel like makes the hair just look so much better. I don't know, I just love baby hairs. So yeah.
Bad bitches, fuck 'em and dismiss 'em. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck 'em. Yeah, who is robotic? I ain't touching. No, skirt. Looking at your whole shit bustin'. Woo, riding in that coupe with the wings. Going to Thailand with them chains. Percocet party serving fiends. Sweater got my blood with Vietnamese. Taliban my drugs, rap 'em please. Taliban rap serving all day, my gas on E. Let's go. 30 hollow tips in the stendo. Shadows keep waving by my window.
And this is what it looks like once all the baby hairs are done and completed. And now I'm just like brushing the hair back to form it in place again. And then I'm just going to go in with my hot comb to basically like create, I think it just feels a little puffy at the top. So I like to make sure that it's flat. And yeah. So I just use mousse and I also use the hot comb to smooth it out. But as you can see, like so far, I just really like the way it looks. It looks really nice to me, in my opinions. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is really how I do it. Notice like no actual way. I'm not sure if it's the right way, whatever. I'm just learning as I go. So please do not crucify me in the comments. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media links. They'll be down below. And yeah, thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, kiddos.
Never settle.